Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Can all of you hear me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. All right. So that KVPY, what our questions are left tomorrow evening at 3:30, I'll take class. I'll discuss. Okay. And previous class, if somebody wanted to attend but they could not attend, I sent the recording. I hope they have seen it. Okay, so we discussed more than one answer questions. All odd numbers. Okay, even numbers you can try. Now let us discuss passages. Okay, odd numbered passages. So passage 1. Let SC and S dash be two circles. The common chord, length of the common chord. Okay. I don't think the passages are very difficult, just to revise the basics, I guess. Length of the common chord of two circles, we already know how to do it. We subtract the two circles, we'll get the line. And then if you know circle and line, 2 root r square minus d square can be used. Okay. Here when I take s minus s dash, I'll get 10x minus 18 equal to 0. Which is 5x minus 9 equal to 0. Now take one other circle and this line, this length formula, I can take first circle x square plus y square equal to 9. This is r and this perpendicular distance is d. So we will get 2 root r square minus d square. Okay, so radius is 9, radius square, and perpendicular distance from the origin to this line, which is 9 by 5. If simplify it, we'll get some answer. 9 into 4 by 5. 2 into 3 into 2. Is it 9 by 5? 9 by 4 whole square. 9 by 5 whole square. So I'll get 25 minus 9. 16 by 25. After taking 9 common. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 4 by 5, which is 24 by 5. Okay. So nothing great. The first question. Okay. Second question. They want angle between the common tangents. They did not tell direct or transverse. I think they have only direct. Because only transverse is not possible. So in the second question, they may be intersecting or completely separate, but they must be intersecting. Otherwise, I have to mention which one. Okay, if they are asking for angle between direct common tangents, of course, I can find external center of similitude and then use tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11. That is one way. Another way, just from the figure, If this is theta by 2, because total is theta, if I draw one horizontal line, that is also theta by 2, a small angle here. If I take this small triangle separate, where is the 90? What is this one? R1. This is R2. So the small length will be R2 minus R. This length will be the distance in the center T. And this is your theta by 2, where I think I can take sine theta by 2 and opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine theta by 2 is equal to R2 minus R1 by T. So here radius of one circle is 3 and radius of another circle is 4. So 4 minus 3. Distance centers are 0, 0, 5, 0. So it is 5, which is 1 by 5. But they wanted cos theta. Cos theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 5 whole square, which is 23 by 25. Okay. I just stopped screen sharing for a minute. I'll again share it. Okay, try to put on your videos as far as possible, unless some people have network issue. Okay, this one can be done other method also. But just find really external center of similitude and then use tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11, and then we can find it. Okay, everybody clear the two questions? Okay. Now they want the third one, distance of 9, 0 from the common tangent of s and s dash equal to 0. So basically, third question. Center first one is 0, 0, second one is 5, 0, and one end of that is only 9, 0. Whether it's there or not doesn't matter. They want from here what is the perpendicular distance to this. If I can find external center of similitude, I know this triangle and I already just found theta by 2. I should be able to do it. Where is the external center of similitude if I find it? Without that also, I can find that length from the figure itself. I can take this right angle triangle where this is 9 units, so this is also 9 units. I know this angle. I can find this distance and then add up this much. So this is 3 radius. So this is also 3. Only this length if I find and add to 3, it's done. So we call that as K. And this is 9 units. I guess I can use sine theta by 2 equal to K by 9. Where K I have to find, and sine theta by 2 I know is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to k by 9 means k is equal to 9 by 5, and 3 plus k is 3 plus 9 by 5, 24 by 5. Yes. Otherwise, somebody can find extent of similitude, really find one of the tangents, and then find distance also, it will work. I'm just trying to do it from the figure, that's all. Any doubt anybody has regarding third question? Whether you completed, you can read passage 3 and try. For your chemistry syllabus is what almost completed. Anything is left?
Sir, or inorganic started, sir.
Inorganic not started.
Started, sir.
Just started. Achha. Organic completed fully.
Yes, sir.
Physical organic completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inorganic, is it too many topics or a few topics only are there?
I think it will take more than 20 days, maybe.
Achha. Okay. And just to get an idea on it. No problem. Okay, I'm arranging this. If anybody any doubt, please ask me. I'll explain. Okay, in passage 3, they're defining what is theta chord. Theta chord of a circle means that chord which subtends an angle theta at the center of the circle. That's all. Okay. So we have a circle, we have a chord that when you join to the center, if that angle is theta, that is called theta chord. That's all. Okay, these are seventh one is they gave the chord, they're asking how much angle it is subtending. Normally, I would have done what is this? If I know the chord, I know D and I know R. If I want this angle adjacent side is better, cos theta is D by R or cos theta by 2. Then theta will be 2 cos inverse D by R. Okay, this is a angle subtended by any chord. If chord is given, if at all you want to find. But here, this particular question is quite easy because where circle is there, the given chord is passing through the 1, 0 and 0, 1, where this angle is directly 90. So it is pi by 2. Even the next question, the slope of a pi by 2 chord of the circle is 1. Then what is the equation? Okay. That is also slope 1, the chord will be here, this one and this one. There are two such chords. And what are these points? 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma 2, and minus 2 comma 0. So x and x by minus 2 plus y by 2 equal to 1. Or this line means x by 2 plus y by minus 2 equal to. Just from the figure only I can tell this is subtending 90. If they had asked some other slope, I would have do little work maybe. I know slope, I don't know y-intercept, I'll assume C and then do it. And what is the ninth one? There is a chord which is subtending 2 pi by 3. What is the distance of this chord from the center? Okay. So they gave a circle line and they already said this is 120. So this is 60 and this is 60. They want to know this D. If you know R, D will be R cos 60, which is R by 2. Just find radius of the circle and by 2. That's it. Radius is 2. So 1 unit. 2 by 2, this is 1. Okay, so both 7 and 8 from figure we could do just like that, because here chord is given, they want angle, but the chord is passing through the ends of a quarter. And here they want something to subtend 90, means it should pass through ends of a quarter such a way that the slope is 1. So we can easily visualize it. Here angle is given, they want the distance only. So we know cos 60 is d by r from that. We can. Okay, this first matching is good. It covers few related things. Anybody any doubt about 7, 8 or 9 or the whole passage? Please feel free to ask. Okay, try to think about this matching, how to do it. Just think about it. I'll discuss. Okay, let A and B be two positive real numbers such that A less than B consider. Okay, C1, C2 touch each other. Okay, so this circle is of radius B and this circle is of radius A. Both are touching x-axis, y-axis, and they're touching each other. Then what is B by A? That is the question. Similarly, other questions are of the sort. Okay, so we can use C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2 that way, or just from the figure you can do it. Okay, so method 1, C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. This center is A comma A, this center is B comma B. So the distance will be root over B minus A whole square plus B minus A whole square. And the radius of first circle is A, second circle is B. If you square it, 2 times A minus B whole square is A plus B whole square. 2A square plus 2B square minus 4AB is equal to A square plus B square plus 2A. When you bring one side, we'll get A square minus 6AB plus B square equal to 0. If you divide with A square, it will become a quadratic equation. They asked B by A or A by B? They asked B by A. Okay. So B by A whole square minus 6 times B by A plus 1 equal to 0. I can use minus B plus or minus and all that. Minus B plus 1, B square minus 4 is 6. So 36 minus 4 by 2. 32 means 4 root 2, which is 3 plus minus 2. Okay, so this is B by A. But B is greater than 1, so B by A should be, B is greater than A, so B by A is greater than 1. So B by A greater than 1 implies B by A is 3 plus 2. Another way, just from the figure, it can be done just like that. I want to find this length, so let me give some names. O here, A here, B here, C here. OC length is OA length plus AB length plus BC length. What is OC length? This is B, this is B, so this total should be B root 2. OA length is A root 2. AB is the radius, which is A, BC is another radius, which is. So if you think with B this side, B into root 2 minus 1 equal to A into root 2 plus 1. Then what is your B by A? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. When you rationalize it, you will get root 2 plus 1 whole square, which is 3 plus 2 root 2. Multiply with root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. Okay, so first of all, the question is within the first quadrant, there are two circles touching x and y axis, and also they're touching each other. If one radius is A, one radius is B, and B is greater than A, what is B by A? We can do like this, or just on the figure also we can. Is it okay matching first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Does anybody need more time? Anybody still have any doubt?
1 minute.
Okay.
Completed.
Okay. Anybody else has any doubt in this or needs more time? Okay. Second one is the intersect perpendicular means the two curves are perpendicular means orthogonal. Okay. They're intersecting each other orthogonally. Okay, so you can use find the circle equation and then use TGG dash plus 2FF dash equals C plus C dash or D square equal to R1 square plus R2 square. Then use again same center A comma A and B comma B. Okay, so this center is A comma A, this center is B comma B. We know that already. Orthogonality, I don't know from the figure how exactly we can go ahead about it, but we can use this formula. So I'll get 2 into A minus B whole square is A square. Correct. Is A square plus B square. When I expand this and then one side I'll get A square minus 4AB plus B square equal to 0. Then again divide with A, we will get B by A whole square minus 4 into B by A plus 1 equal to 0. Quadratic equation. 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 by 2. 4 plus or minus 12 is 2 root 3 by 2. 2 plus or minus root 3. Again, greater than 1. B by A is greater than 1 implies B by A should be 2 plus root 3. Even if I use orthogonality condition, I'm sure like this only will come. What are the two circles? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2ay plus a square equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2bx minus 2by plus b square equal to 0. if I use orthogonality condition, 2g g dash is 2ab plus 2ab minus equal to c is a square, c square is b square. The same equation. A square plus b square plus 4ab. No, this is plus 1. 2g g dash is plus 2ab, 2f dash is plus 2ab. Okay, we'll get this equation. Record చేస్తున్నావా? Record. Okay, just try other things.
Hello. Wanna the demo? Stop. Wait, one.
Okay, anybody still any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, C1 and C2 intersect so that the common chord is longest. Okay, it is basically bisecting the circumference only. One circle is like this. This is the center. This is a particular chord. The other circle is touching x and y axis, and the two circles have a common chord that should be of the greatest length. Okay, so they should intersect such a way that the common chord should be greatest length, means it should be diameter of the smaller circle, because more than that not possible. If you take a circle, the length of the chord can be maximum its diameter, and out of the two, whichever is the smaller, that diameter. So if you look at just from the figure, this is C1, this is C2, this is R1, and this is R2. They are marking a perfect square where here R1 is B and R2 is A. And C1 is as usual B comma B, C2 is A comma A. So method 1, C1 C2 square is R1 square minus R2 square. The bigger circle radius minus smaller circle radius is a Pythagorean square. That is again B minus A whole square plus B minus A whole square equal to B square minus A square. If I expand and bring everything one side, I will get B square minus 4AB plus 3A square equal to 0. If I divide with A, B by A, their splitting is very easy. 3 by a whole square minus 3 by a plus 3 equal to 0. 3 and 1 are the roots. So b by a minus 3 into b by a minus 1 equal to 0. B by a equal to 3 or 1. 1 can't be because the two circles can't have same radius. So B should be 3 times the radius of the first one. That is one way. Otherwise, two circles, if one circle is bisecting the circumference of another one, we'll get the common chord subtracting. That common chord should be diameter of the smaller circle. So this is method 1. Method 2. The two circles are x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2ay plus a square equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2bx minus 2by plus b square equal to 0. When we subtract, you'll get 2 into b minus a plus 2 into b minus a into y plus a square minus b square equal to 0. This is a common chord. For this common chord, it should be diameter of the smaller circle, means it should pass through center a comma I. When you substitute a comma I, you'll get 2 into b minus a into a plus 2 into b minus a into a plus a square minus b square equal to 0. I'm sure if you expand, you should get the same equation here. 2ab plus 2ab is 4ab. Minus 2a square plus a square is minus a square. No, minus 3a square. Minus b square equal to 0. Send everything to the other side. B square minus 4ab plus 3a square equal to 0. Same as this equation. Then you'll get same roots. So bisecting the circumference, C1, C2 square is R1 square minus R2 square is one condition. Otherwise, the common chord should pass through center of the smaller circle. Is it okay, CBIT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And please go through it and copy. If you have any doubt, please ask. All of you submitted single answer questions, sir? Even numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If somebody has not submitted, please submit by today evening. Single answer questions, all even number solutions. Okay. Anybody still more time to copy or to understand this third part? CBIT. All right. Okay, last one, C2 should pass to center of C1. Okay, so this is a circle, it has a center, other circle should exactly pass through. Okay. I think basically we can imagine one thing apart from doing this one. One time the circle was here. Okay. Another time the circle was little small and brought little more so that it will intersect orthogonal. Later on it was brought so that it will pass through center. Okay. It got little more smaller where the common chord is greatest. Basically, you can imagine one circle is fixed and other circle radius is changing. That's why B by A change. Okay, passing through center, how to deal? Simply C1, C2 is R. Okay, this is whatever C1, this is C2, this is B comma B, this is A comma A. It should be equal to radius B itself. So C1, C2 equal to B. C1, C2 square equal to B square. This is B minus A whole square plus B minus A whole square equal to B square. And expand, look at B square minus 4AB plus 3A square equal to 0. Am I right? No. It's 2A square. B square plus 2A square. Okay. I think again sides will come. B by A whole square minus 4 into B by A plus 2 equal to 0. 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 by 2. This is 12, 2 root 3, 2 plus or minus root 3. Earlier also we got 2 plus or minus root 3, right? This is, did I write something wrong? Question to the sentence is B. Managed to be fine. Did we get 2 plus root 3 earlier? No, right? One is 2 plus root 2 and one is 2 plus root 3. This is root, this is not 4, sorry, this is 8. So this is 2 plus 4 plus 2 root 2 by 2, which is 2 plus or minus root 2. So B by A greater than 1 implies B by A is equal to 2 plus 2. Yes. Okay. So because it's passing through the center of the smaller circle, the distance between two centers should be radius of the bigger circle, C1. So all the questions basically we got C1, C2 equal to different expressions, which gave us different quadratic equation of this type. Now divide it A square, then find the some are sets and some are integer sets. Okay, those who completed, they can try third matching. Satvik, what are you doing?
Sir, nothing,
You're
sir.
laughing. You're laughing at maths or something else?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'm arranging this D bit. Anybody any doubt? No.
No.
Okay, these are touching internally, externally. That kind of you can use C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2 and all those conditions only. Sorry. No, sorry. Third matching. Okay, the circles touch externally. So C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2 can be used. Or you can subtract these two, we'll get a line, and that line should touch one of the circles. So either way you can do it. Okay, third one a bit. First of all, this is the second equation, this is the first equation. This is center is 5, 2. And the radius is 25 plus 4, 29, 15, root 50. No, this is 5, 3, sorry. 25 plus 9, 34, so root 20. The center of the other one is 2, minus 3. So when you find C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2, C1, C2 is already known, 3 plus 6, root 45. 3 root 5 basically. R1 is 2 root 5. So what is R2 should be? R2 should be root 5. But what is R2 radius of the first R1? Sorry. R2 R1 I have to find, and this is 2 root 5. So R1 should be root 5. So R1 is root over 4 plus 9 minus C is root 5. So C is equal to 8. Yeah, I can subtract and do it. We'll get a common chord and that should touch one of the circles, but we don't to touch internal or external way to check that. I can use C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. That will convert easy. The next bit is that touching internally. Center of first circle is -1 comma -4. This is first circle and the second circle. Center is -1 comma -4 and the radius 17 plus 23 root 40. 4 root 40 is 2 root 10. Second circle is 2 comma -5 center. What is the distance between the centers? Root over root 10. Distance between the centers is root 10. Okay. Of course, second circle can be bigger or smaller. So bigger, there are two ways. So let us use C1, C2 equal to mod R1 minus R2. What is the distance between centers is root 10. Let us say first circle is 2 root 10 minus R2. So 2 root 10 minus R2 is equal to root 10 or minus root 10. R2 can be root 10 or 3 root 10. And R2 is 4 plus 25 minus 6 is root 10 or root 90. 34 minus C is 10 or 90. We'll get C equal to 24 or 34 minus 19 is minus 46. 56. Now there, did I get something wrong? 1 minute.
Sir, 4 plus 25, 29.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
29.
this is 29. Okay, thank you. So I'll get 19 or minus 61. Okay, 19 is also there, minus 61 is also there. So I'll match with two things. All right, so one is touching externally, one is touching internally. This mod is also important because two answers will come if you forget, because once our circle is fixed, Other circle can be smaller than that, or it can be bigger than that. Two cases will come based on that, even though the center is fixed of the one. So this mod is important so that we'll get two answers. All right, I'm erasing this. Okay, see it. The circles intersect each other orthogonally. So just apply orthogonality condition. 2g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2 into minus 3 minus 12. 2 into minus 4 into c by 2. So c into minus 4. C plus c dash is minus 8 minus 4. So 4c is equal to 0. C 0. Okay, we are getting constant at 0. The circle bisects the circumference. You know, bisecting the circumference means you can subtract them, we'll get a common chord that should pass to center of the circle which is getting bisected. Or you can use C1 C2 square equal to R1 square minus R2 square also. So L, which is S minus S dash, which will come 12x plus 11y minus 1 minus c equal to 0. That should pass to center of the second circle, which is minus 5 comma minus 4. 12 plus 5. 12x 5y minus. When you put minus 5 comma minus 4, this will be minus 60 minus 20 minus 1 minus equal. So C is minus 80. Yeah. Okay, so each question is just using one of the basic formulas only. Okay, anybody doubt about any one of these four parts of the matching? Okay, so please continue trying the rest of the even numbered questions in passages and matchings, and later on single answer questions also. If any doubts, I'll discuss. And if you copied what is there on the board, you can leave for today. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.